Hello, my lovelies. It's Susanne, and today I want to show you how to solve this problem that went viral on the internet. I looked at the comment section and checked the results that people got, and to be honest, there were many different results there. And before I show you how to solve this problem correctly, I want to show you the most common mistakes that people made. Mistake number one, they didn't follow the order of operations. We have a minus symbol here, a division symbol, and a plus symbol. And the order of operations tells us that the multiplication and the division comes first, and after that we have the addition and the subtraction. So they didn't follow that, so they just started from left to right. They started here, 3 minus 3, got the result of 0, and it ended in chaos. So this was one of the most common mistakes. Mistake number two, if they got the order of operations right, so they knew that they had to start with this division here, they looked at it and they were like, 3 divided by 1/3, this is just equal to 1. I don't know why exactly, but maybe they canceled the 3 here out, but this would only be allowed if there was a multiplication here. But because of the division, this is not a thing, so this result is not equal to 1. We will see what the correct result is, but not 1. And the third mistake was that they thought, why should I do this in my head? I can just use Google, or I can just use my smartphone to solve this. And they typed the following into their smartphone: 3 minus 3 divided by, well, it's difficult. Usually you write it as a slash. 1 over 3, you write it as 1 over 3, and then plus 3. This is not the same as this. Why? Here we have 3 divided by 1/3. So we can write it as 3 over, and then we have a fraction in the denominator, which is 1/3. The way this is written here is just 3 over 1 over 3. So it's like 3 over 1 over 3. There is no fraction, no order, no anything. So it means, because there are only division symbols here, that you can start from the left to the right, and that is what your calculator on the smartphone will do. It will calculate 3 over 1 first, which equals 3, so we don't need this over 1, and then you have 3 over 3, which is definitely not the same as 3 over 1/3. So you cannot do that in that way. If you wanted to do it right, you would have to write parentheses here around your fraction so that you really have 3 divided by 1/3. If you want to use a calculator, there is usually a button for a fraction, so if you use this button on your calculator, then you should be fine as well. But on your smartphone, that's usually not the case, and on Google as well. So this was a common mistake as well. And now I want to show you how to solve this correctly. Okay, we already know that we have to follow the order of operations, so we have to start with this division here. 3 divided by 1/3. How can we calculate this? Well, we divide by a fraction by multiplying by its reciprocal. So we have 3 times, and now we have to switch these two numbers. We have 3 on top and 1 on the bottom. If we multiply, we have 3 times 3, which equals 9 over 1, and 9 over 1 is just equal to 9. So the result of this division is 9. Why? Because some people are like, what? 9 as a result of 3 divided by 1/3? How? Well, you can think back to when you started to learn how to divide in primary school. When you had something like 12 divided by 4, you ask yourself, how often does the 4 fit into the 12? And you were like, this is 3 times. So the 4 fits into the 12 3 times. And with the 1/3, we ask ourselves the same thing. How often does the 1/3 fit into the 3? To see that a little bit better, that it is 9 times, you can take 3 pizzas. It's always good to make math with pizza. So we have 3 pizza. This is the 3. And now we divide each pizza into thirds. So we have thirds here, and thirds here as well. And the question is, how many thirds fit into my 3 pizzas? It's 1/3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 thirds fit into my 3 pizzas. And this is the result we got here for this division. Okay, then what do we have here? We have 3 minus the 9 as a result, plus the 3. Okay, now we only have a minus, a plus here. We are now allowed to calculate this however we want. You can start here if you want to, so you can calculate -9 plus 3 first, or you can just go from left to right. Let's do this. So I want to calculate 3 minus 9 first. We can look at a number line for this because here is the 0. We start at the 3 and we want to subtract 9. 3 minus 9, I can subtract 3 first, then I get to 0, but then I have to subtract 6 more so that I subtract 9 in total, so I will get to -6 here. As a result of this calculation is -6. Don't forget the plus 3 here, so I can do this on my number line as well. I start at -6 and add 3. So into the positive direction, I add 3, so that in total I end up at -3, and this is the correct result of this problem. I'm curious how you solve this problem, so please let me know in the comments. I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Take care!